Yo, what the? What's up guys, D-Dubs Garage here. As you can see from that video right there, that is not the Vega. Nor is it anything even similar. This is a 1968 MGB, I'm pretty sure, also affectionately known as the Midget. This is a customer car. I've actually worked on it a couple times here and there. Water pump, thermostat housing, thermostat. I did every single brake line on it, and now it needs a clutch. The clutch is fried. I was actually driving it home, and it went on me on basically right before this huge hill that I have to get up to get home. It was slipping like crazy. It didn't want to grab. Eventually it did, and then I was able to take off, and I basically came into this driveway hot just trying to get it in here. But now I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride a little bit. I have never done a clutch on one of these. Apparently got to pull the whole engine out, but it's a small one, so I think it's something we can definitely tackle, and I'm just going to have you guys along for the ride, possibly a lot of time lapse here and there, and I'm just really excited to learn a little more about this thing, and it's a nice change of pace to work on something like this. The Vega is actually parked in this customer's garage, and it got over there okay. The tune is still admittedly really bad. I think I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and get a 650 double pumper on there, because right now I have a 750 and it's just too much carb for it. I can get it to rev out really nice, just, you know, with it sitting, but once I put it in drive and try to get down the road, it still bogs on me, and it's doesn't seem to run too nice. So that's down the road. Obviously we got a big project to tackle right here. It's for a little money, so that always comes first, right? But let's do it. Let's get going on this thing. I'm excited to have you guys here for the ride, and let's see if we learn something here or there. Let's go. All right guys, so we got the coolant on the drain. Now it's really just a matter of disconnecting a whole bunch of stuff. I got the space heater on in here. It is a cold one out there, even for me. We got the doors closed. It's a nice place to work right now. A lot more room. The Vega's a little bit bigger than this thing. So we're just gonna start tearing into this, get everything out of the way, and then eventually gonna have to get a cherry picker over here. So we'll get to that, but for right now, let's tear into it. Alright guys, so we have got a lot done already. Drained all the fluids, pulled the radiator, and basically just got any line going to the engine disconnected, so that is awesome. Really stoked with that. Now it's time to get underneath the car and get everything out of the way there. It is such a nice change of pace because everything's so simple on this thing. So I'm really excited to be working on it. It's fun, and glad to have you guys for the ride here. Like I said, I cannot wait to get that clutch out because I know it's gonna be fried. Let's start bets now. I bet it's at the rivets. Let me know what you guys think it's at when you drop some comments there.